In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Fiverr gigs that you can start today that require no skills that can earn you $100, $200, and even $300 per day online, even if you are a beginner. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure that you watch this video from start to finish because it will be a value-packed video. And if you want to see more videos on how you can make money online, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos. And also in the month of September, we've been doing a giveaway for $100 to one lucky subscriber. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and that you comment on this video with your Cash App username at the end of that comment. And if you want to increase your chances of winning this giveaway, make sure that you go to my other videos that I uploaded this month and make sure that you leave a comment as well as a like, because I will be picking one lucky winner from a random video that I uploaded in the month of September, and I will randomly pick someone from the comments. And if you want to see my #1 recommended way to make money online right now that is generating people up to $1,000 per day online, make sure you hit that first link in the description box. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first gig is going to be something called SEO reports or audits. Now, this particular gig is pretty popular and it pays well, and it's not a ton of competition out there. As you can see here, people are charging all the way up to $125 for a SEO audit. And I'm going to show you how to do this for free. So guess what? If you don't know what the SEO audit is, do not worry because I'm going to tell you what it is. So if I click here on this particular gig here, they're offering a professional SEO audit report and a competitive website analysis. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to offer them a SEO audit. It's not going to be a competitive website analysis along with it. We're just going to do the audit. So that's the reason why they're probably charging $125, because they're giving you a 2-for-1 deal. So basically an SEO audit, if you don't know what it is basically analyzing the metadata of a website, like the search engine optimization, which is what SEO stands for. They're checking for the keywords and the titles, descriptions, and all of that to see how well it's ranking for different keywords. So if I go over to Google and type in how to start a website, this is what you will see. You will see ads here at the top, and then after that you're going to see the organic search results, and you're going to be able to see different blog posts, different articles here. And they got here because they use search engine optimization. So it's pretty much the process of ranking a article or a website or a piece of content on the first page of Google, or even the second or third page of Google. Most people want to be on the first page because you can get a lot of traffic. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a gig to run a report for people's websites. So what you're going to do is you're going to use a tool that's going to do it completely for you automatically. You don't have to do anything but run the report through this tool. So you're just going to get their website. They're going to give you their website, and you're going to run it here in this search results, or in this search bar. You're going to type it in. So I'm just going to do this website here, websitesetup.org. And we're going to get a comprehensive SEO report. So what you're going to do is you are going to download the report. It's going to tell them all the search engine optimization information that this tool finds, and you're going to present this to them. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on download report. And once you have created your gig and they have purchased from you, you're going to then send them this downloaded report that you have generated for them, and it's going to show them what they're doing wrong on their website. As far as SEO goes, and I would start off charging them $10. This gig here is charging $10, and they have over 800 reviews already. So that means that they have sold thousands of these gigs for this particular type of gig. All right, so the second gig is going to be logo animation. So basically what this is a video being generated of a logo in animation. You do not have to have any graphic design skills, any technical skills or anything like that. I'm going to show you an automated particular website that is going to do this for you. And here's an example of a logo automation. As you can see here, we have a logo here that came in through this cube type design, and we have some text here at the bottom. People usually use these on YouTube videos at the beginning of their videos before their video actually starts. So this is how you're going to be able to create this type of video. What you're going to do is you're going to come to renderforest.com and you're going to go over to where it says create video. And you're going to be able to click on these different templates that they provide for you for free. And as you can see here, they have some really, really nice logo reveal or logo animation videos. This is a nice one here. They have one that is multicolor blast of kind of smoke looking effects that reveals the logo. We have another one here with gold dust. Here's the one that I just used. Here's another one here. So they have a ton of these, and what we can do here is we can just click on whatever one that we want. Pretty much the person who purchases the gig is going to tell you what kind of logo reveal that they want. You're going to probably provide samples on your Fiverr gig and let them choose from the sample templates, and you would just click on the template here on renderforest.com. You're going to click on create now. And then you are going to click on where it says add right here. You're going to upload the logo that the customer gives to you. I'm just going to select the media library because I already have one uploaded. Select here on this logo. I'm going to click on insert. I'm going to make sure that it's the right size, that it fits in this box. And you can adjust it here if you need to. And you can also do fill or fit if you need to. And then you're going to click on done. And then you're going to put some text here, whatever their slogan is that they want to add. You're going to put that down there. So I'm going to put National Football League. And then I'm going to click on right where it says style. And we can actually change the font if we want to. We can add music here. And by the way, this tool is going to be linked down in the description. If you want to try this tool out, you can click the first link, or actually not the first link, but it's going to be down in the description. You can add music to this if you want to. Then you're going to click on preview, and you can use the free version if you want to, or you can use the high quality 1080 or 720p video, but you would have to pay for at least the light plan, which is $19 a month, I believe. So we're going to click on the preview here to see what it looks like. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I'm going to play it. Ooh, that looks really nice. Ooh, that's really cool. So that is what the logo reveal looks like. You'll download it in HD quality. I would suggest getting the $19 plan. If you don't get it, you're going to download it in 360p, which is a lower quality, but you want to provide good quality, so I would get the $19 plan, especially if you want to do this full time and make real money. You want your clients to be happy. So that is the second Fiverr gig, logo animation. This one is a high demand Fiverr gig as well that requires no skills. Okay, so the third Fiverr gig that we're going to talk about is banner ad creation. This one is very easy, very simple. I'm going to show you how to get free templates with a online website that you can start creating these very nice banner ads. This is what people use to advertise on Google Ads. They run ads either on blogs or websites. Those website ads that you see on the sides of websites, on the top and things like that, they also come up under YouTube on mobile and on the right hand side on desktop after a YouTube ad has played. I'm going to show you how to very easily create ads like this and charge $10, $15, $20 per gig. So you're going to go over to a free website called PicMonkey.com. You're going to sign up for a free account, and then you're going to scroll to where it says collage layouts and blank canvases. You're going to click on see all blanks, and we have tons of different sizes for Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Medium, Pinterest, Snapchat, Tumblr, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube. I mean, they have everything here. You're going to scroll to where it says online ads, and these are like the banner ad sizes that they use for Google Ads and stuff like that. So you want to pick whichever one that they want you to create. They're going to tell you the size that they want you to create, and then you're going to choose it here, or you can just enter it in here in these boxes where it says create custom. So we're going to select this one. And then what's very cool about PicMonkey is that they have tons of templates, like I said, that you can choose from to make professional banner ads. You don't need any design skills. So we're going to click on templates here, and as you can see, they have tons of different designs here that you can choose from. Now the client is going to tell you their business, so you're going to type it in here, whatever type of business that they have. If they're a makeup artist, if they have a clothing store, if they have a restaurant, you're going to type that in here. You're going to be able to find templates. So I'm going to do makeup. As you can see here, there are tons of different graphics here, templates that we can choose from. I'm going to show you how easy it is to edit these and swap out photos and stuff like that for clients. So if we select this one right here, it's going to actually change the size of the ad, but you can also change it back. You can click on smart resize right here, and you can enter in your custom size again, or you can just choose from these different sections here. So I forgot which one I had. I think it was this one. So I select that one. It resized. So I click on resize, and now it fit the template to the actual size that we need, which is very cool. And all you have to do to edit this is you literally just click on whatever you want to edit, and you can edit. So if you want to swap this picture out, you can just select the picture, and you can click on delete layer, and that's going to delete that layer. You can click on replace image, and you can replace it with the image that they give you, so you don't have to try to resize it back. And then also, if you want to edit the text, you just click on the box where the text is, and you can edit the text. You can double click to select all of it, and then backspace to delete it, and you can change the text to whatever they ask you to put, or whatever would fit their business. So you just type in whatever you want, and then you can also resize the text by highlighting it, and then you can click right here on this drop down, change the size of the text. You can also click in there, and then you can type it in if you want to. You can also stretch it out to make it fit, make the box fit. You can move it around as drag and drop. And then you can also change the background color by clicking on the background and selecting this color here and changing the color of the background. Okay, so very easy, very simple. And once you're done, we can also zoom in to see it a little bit bigger down here. So once you're done with this, you will then click on download, and it's going to download to your computer. You select you want PNG, PDF, or JPEG, and click download. Okay, the fourth Fiverr gig that we're going to talk about is background removal. So people come to Fiverr to pay people to do background removal. They're pretty much removing the background from photos in bulk and companies pay people to do this because they don't have the time to do themselves. And it's more common for like Amazon sellers, Shopify sellers, Etsy, and all that. E-commerce sellers really like this service. So only thing you have to do is you can come back over to PicMonkey, and we're going to click on File, Create New, and I'm going to do a blank canvas. We're just going to choose this square image. So the customer is going to give you a photo to remove the background. I'm just going to get a photo from here to make it easy. Stock photo. So Canva also has tons of stock photos and videos as well that you can use. So we are going to click on the image, and when you click on the image or select the image, there is a background removal tool that automatically removes the background. So you're going to click on that, and we're going to watch the background disappear from this photo. So as you can see, the background is completely gone. So it's white. It was a hospital background. Now it's completely white. And guess what? You can just easily do this with this software on PicMonkey, and you will get a professional clean look rather than doing it manual through Photoshop. You can automatically do it through PicMonkey, and you'll just download the image and give it to the customer. So you should offer this service as a bulk service. You're going to do more than just one photo for $10. You can see what other people are doing and kind of make a similar gig. Like this person is doing 10 photos within 3 hours, and they're only doing it for $5, but they have thousands of reviews, so they're getting lots of orders for this. As you can see, people have orders in queue here for this. So that's the gig number 4. So the 5th gig is going to be keyword research. Now this goes along with SEO. Pretty much what it is, you're going to do research for companies or business owners. You're going to find keywords for their website or their articles for them to rank their websites on the first page of Google. This has to do something with SEO, but you're going to use a free tool. You don't have to have any experience. You're just going to type in, download, and upload. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to a free website, a free keyword research tool called Ubersuggest. You just type in ubersuggest.com, and it should bring up this page. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in a keyword. They're going to give you a keyword, or they're going to probably give you a domain name that you can probably scrape keywords from. You can do one or the other. But for example, they may give you a keyword like make money online. You're going to type that in, and you're going to get some information here. So you're going to get the search volume, and then you're going to get related keyword ideas. Here are some suggestions, and they have the related column, and then they have questions as well. So you're going to click on view all keyword ideas, and then you're going to click on export to CSV. Now you can sort them by volume, I believe, and then CPC. You can also do some filters, but that's a little advanced. Only thing that you want to really do is you want to do keyword research for people. You want to find different lists of keywords for them that they ask for that are related to a search term. And it may ask you to log in with your Google account. You just log in to get the rest of the features, and you'll click on allow. And now you should be able to unlock the filters. Say for instance, they want you to give them keywords with at least 1,000 searches per month. So you put 1,000 here under search volume, and then you can click on apply, and it's going to change the search results. And then you can download this list here of all the keywords that have 1,000 search volume per month or more. Click on export CSV, and you're going to give it to the customer. When you have finished all of the keyword research, as you can see here, people are charging a very good amount of money for this gig. It will require an hour or two of work, so you can charge $20 to $30 to do this type of work. It's going to probably depend on how many pages you provide for them, or how many keywords you want, or they want you to look up. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to enter to win. And also comment down below with your Cash App username, because I will be randomly selecting a winner to win the $100.